Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Great too? Good. That's really great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your numeracy class. So in today's class, the topic that we are going to revise is about the number operations, right? So how many number operations do we have? A total of 4, right? Very good. Can you name them, please? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, right? So in today's class, we will be revising only 2 number operations, which are addition and subtraction. So who is going to define addition for me? Yes, what does addition means? Putting together 2 or more than 2 numbers, right? Excellent. And what does subtraction means? Very good. In subtraction, we basically find the difference between 2 numbers, right? By subtracting one number from the other number. Excellent. Okay. So in today's class, we will be practicing 2-digit number of addition and subtraction both. So before starting with that, I'm going to share the screen with you and let's watch an interesting video about the addition together. This will revise the concept and then we will
Today's topic.
practice. Okay. So is my screen visible? Okay, great.
Addition.
I believe in you!
One! One octopus! Jokers! Three! Three jokers!
Good job!
Crocodiles! Two! Two crocodiles! Eagles! Five! Five eagles! Caterpillars! Four! Four caterpillars! Boats! Four! Four boats!
Good job!
Let's practice addition. Four. Three plus one equals four. Balls. Two. One plus one equals two. Diamonds. Five. Four plus one equals five.
Pan!
Eight. Four plus four equals eight.
Good job!
Okay, so see in this they have revised the basic concept of, they have explained the basic concept of addition, that how to add 2 numbers. We basically write 2 numbers one above the other and then we add them. Let's say there are 2 numbers. The first one is 72 and the second one is 27. So we will just write them in this manner. It's always better to write the placing values so that you don't make any mistakes. Now The first rule was that we always start from right hand side. So we will first solve this side and then we will solve this one. So 2 plus 7, and the easiest method is that you can draw the lines like this and then you can add them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this means 2 plus 7 makes a 9, right? Similarly, 7 plus 2 again makes a 9. So the answer is 99. Okay. Let's look at the next one. It's 51 and 10. Again, 1 plus 0, 1, and 5 plus 1, 6. And you are supposed to write the values before, because these placing values will help you out in the questions when you are supposed to take carrying over or the borrowing one, right? The next one is 82 plus 19. Now see, this is a question of the carrying over. So let's see how we will help out. First, let's solve the right hand side. So 9 plus 2 makes 11. 9, 10, 11. Now we have a number which is a 2-digit, right? But we have only one space over here to write a number. So what we will be doing, we will write this 1-digit number over here and we will carry the other one on the top of the tens column, right? Now 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Again, we have a 2-digit number. So we will write the 0. One's one before it and one over here. And the answer is 101. So this is the example of carrying over, right? In this manner, we solve the questions of carrying over. Let's have a little practice of subtraction one as well. Okay, so the first question is, then we have okay, 9 minus 0, 9. 8 minus 1, 7. So this was without carrying over. 9 minus 4, 5. 6 minus 6, 0. Now look at this one. Can we subtract 9 from 7? No, this is not possible, right? So what we will be doing, we will take a carry from here to this one. It will turn to 17 and this will turn to 7. Now 17 minus 9, it's an 8. And 7 minus 5, it's a 2. So the answer is 28. This is how we do the subtraction with or without carrying over, right? Okay, now I have done few questions from this page, which is page number 119. This is a practice revision page of addition and subtraction. We have solved few questions from this. The remaining is your homework. You will be doing it at your home, okay? Turn the page and open 120. It has the Yes, it has the word problems, right? So let's do the word problems as well. Let's revise that how to write a statement. So look at the first question. It says that Fahim goes to the bakery to buy a dozen pastries, right? Half a dozen rolls and 6 cans of juice. So let's note down the data. A dozen pastries, how much pastries? A dozen, and a dozen contains 12, right? The next we have half a dozen rolls. So this means half a dozen mean that how much rolls do we have? 6. And we have cans. The cans are also 6. Okay. How many items in total will be carrying back home? So when we are supposed to find the total, this means that we are supposed to add this all. 12 plus 6 plus 6. Right? So 12, draw 6 lines over here and 6 over here as well. Now 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. right? You can simply write 24, or the other manner is that first solve the right hand side. So 6 plus 6, 12 plus 2. Yes, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 2, 14, right? So you will be writing 4 over here and 1 will be carry, and 1 plus 1, 2. So this means 24. There are two ways of doing it. But the first step is that you are supposed to note down the data from this statement, right? Okay. Who is going to tell me about the eighth one? Yes, how will we be solving it? It's that in a darts game, Samir has scored 45 points. So you will be writing the points of Samir is equal to 45. Suhail has scored 21 points. The points of Suhail are 21. How much more should Suhail score to equal Samir? Now you are supposed to find the difference between the two, right? So in order to find the difference, what we do? We subtract them. So you will be subtracting 21 from 45. So subtract it and tell me what's the answer. Yes. It's 24. Excellent. Okay. Look at the third one. Nida uses 3 cups of sugar to bake a cake. How much sugar she uses? 3 cups. How many cups of sugar will she use if she has to bake 6 cakes? If she want to bake 6 cakes, how much sugar she will be needing? So what you will be doing, you will multiply the amount of the cups of sugar with the amount of cake. So 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. This means that if she wants to bake 18 cakes, 6 cakes, she will be needing 18 cups of sugar, right? Okay, and now you will be doing the remaining at your home and you will tell me if you find any difficulty. That was all for today. What we have done, we have revised the number operations. We will be doing more about number operations in our coming classes as well. So share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.